FP.
Hey foodies, happy summer. Today I'm going to make a Greek chicken salad. You know, it's hot, it's cool in our kitchens, and let's make a Greek chicken salad. So the very first thing that I do always is make the sauce before, as Anthony will show you here on my workbench, I have all kinds of vegetables out, from some of this beautiful romaine, and then feta cheese, of course, some Kalamata olives, some peppers, a little celery, tomato, avocado, and some cucumber. And then over here in this bowl, I have my poached chicken breast, okay? Poached chicken breast that I've got here, and I've cut it all up, and that's going to go in because we're making a Greek chicken salad. First thing we do is make the dressing. Always remember to make your dressing first, unless you forget and you can do it after. But have your dressing ready. Keep it in the refrigerator being cold because you're going to mix that into your salad when you get everything cut up. Okay, so when we come back, we will show you what goes in and how we mix up the dressing. Okay, here we go. Now, what I've got in here is a cup of mayo and a half cup of sour cream. I've got about 1 tablespoon of the parsley, 1 teaspoon of the oregano, and then I've also got some minced garlic in here and a little salt. Do your salt and pepper for taste, okay? And then all we're going to do with this, and then put it in the refrigerator, get it out of our way, is get it all mixed up here. And if you need to thin it out, add a little milk, okay? Add a little milk. So we've got our garlic in here, our oregano, a little salt, a little pepper. We've got some parsley flakes, and we're just mixing this up, and we're gonna let this go in the refrigerator for a few minutes so that it can stay cold, okay? All right, Anthony will just step back for a second here. I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator, okay, and we're back over here now. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is cut lettuce.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to cut lettuce now and get started. So the first thing I always do is cut my lettuce. I have this beautiful romaine, and I'm going to cut it and get it in our bowl. Get our romaine in here.
It looks like quarter. You cut it in quarters first?
I cut it in half, and then I cut it again. So this way it will make a delightful, when I throw it in the bowl, it ends up like that. Everybody see it, everyone? Okay. And so let's get the rest of our salad in here. And I have another piece of romaine. This leaf can come off. And then we'll just cut him again in half, and then flip him and cut him again. So now he's in like quarters. And there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Now we got it. Okay. So we cut our lettuce first. That is your base, okay? Alrighty, so now...
Welcome to anyone who's joining us.
Welcome, everybody. We're making Greek chicken salad today with chicken breast that I poached. Okay, here we go. So I've got our salad done. And next up, we'll start cutting vegetables. Okay, here we go. We're going to cut some vegetables. I'm going to start with a cucumber. So I cut the cucumber in half. Then I cut them again in half. And then I just take and dice the cucumber like this. Real easy. So I have diced cucumbers. We're making a Greek chicken salad, folks. Okay? So we like salads here in our house. And I hope you guys do, because it's summertime and it is hot. Okay. So what we're going to do next is cut our celery. I've got some beautiful looking celery here with some beautiful delicious tops here. You know, these leaves are very delicious, the leaf part here. So if you've got celery with that, it's great to use. It makes a nice taste in whatever you're doing, salads. Okay, so we're going to get this celery all cut up here, and then we're going to start on the next items, okay? All right, so we get our celery all cut up. Make sure to keep your fingers like this so you don't get cut, okay? And in goes our celery. We got a lot of green in there now, huh? Don't we? Okay.
It looks nice and green.
All right, so we got our greeneries in. Let's go in with some peppers. So here we go. I've got an orange pepper. I've got a yellow one and a green and a red one. No green today. I didn't have green, but if you like green, use green. Okay, use whatever you like. All right, so we got these in, and we're gonna keep cutting these up and get them all in our bowl and make it so that we have some veggies to go with that beautiful dressing I made. Oh, that's gonna be just delicious. And now we're getting some color in here, right, everyone? All right. And here
Thanks for joining us, foodies. If you just came on, thanks for joining us. Chef Pete is making a Greek salad.
And welcome to our kitchen, by the way, for those of you that have never come to our Carpizzo's kitchen. We like to do cooking, eating, and enjoying. And whether you do it with a glass of wine or not is purely up to you. I love doing it with wine, and so does Anthony occasionally. All right, now I have some Kalamata olives I'm going to add, and we will chop them. Okay, so here we go. We're going to chop some Kalamata olives. And I'm just kind of rough chopping them. I really don't care. I just want to make sure the machine didn't... These are already pitted olives, everybody. So what I want to make sure is there's no...
They really are pitted.
You know? Okay, so now we have that. Okay. Tomatoes are always a good thing because now we got red color we want to put in here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
look at how nice that looks already.
These are beautiful. So we're going to cut our tomatoes up.
So colorful.
And as we cut them up, we're just going to cut right into our core right here. We'll cut the core, cut the core, cut the core, and then we're going to just keep continuing. These are beautiful Roma tomatoes. You can use grape tomatoes. You can use whatever kind of tomato you like. But get a tomato in there so you're getting a little tomato, okay? Unless your family doesn't like tomatoes. Some people don't like tomatoes, and that's okay too, all right? So do what makes your family happy. All right, so here we have some nice pieces of tomato. And I'm pulling out the seeds. You can leave them in if you like. If not, pull them out. It's real easy the way I'm doing it. I just strip them, and then I cut through like that. So we have beautifully tomatoes without seeds. If you like seeds, fine. If not, it's okay. And some of this core I just cut like that. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Okay, so there we go. Next up, I've got a couple of avocados because I'm going to make this really, really full of beautiful, delicious nutrients, right? And I say delicious because the chicken is the chicken, right? We're going to have chicken. And so here we've got some avocado. And what we're going to do with the avocado is just get him out of his shell here. The avocado is like kind of like a turtle. He's in his shell. We'll get him out, and then I'm going to rough him up and get him into the bowl. Okay.
Yeah, avocado really makes it. Gives it a nice texture.
Alrighty. Avocado it is. There we go. Okay. All right. So let's just get these cut up. They're just beautifully ripened, absolutely gorgeously. This time of year, you know, we can get avocados from all over the place.
How do you make sure they're ripened?
Well, an avocado, you can do the old put it in a bag trick if you like, or when you touch it with your fingers, it just gives, and it's dark, then you know it's ripe. And then by putting it in the refrigerator after that, it's going to keep ripening some more. So it's not like it's going to stop ripening. So buy only what you need and use them up because they will get rotten and that you don't need, right? Okay, so here we have our beautiful salad, okay? And next up, we're gonna go in with our chicken breast that I poached. Here it is. And I'm going to go right in on top. and with our chicken breast and all of that goodness, right? Okay. And then last thing, and some people say this is the best thing in the Greek salad, is feta cheese. Okay. Now, I use feta cheese that's crumbled up. Okay. You could use feta cheese that's a block feta cheese. There we go with feta cheese, about 4 ounces there. And you can use a block of feta cheese and cut it into cubes. You could do it any way you like. And there we have it. Okay. So all I'm going to have to do is take out of the refrigerator the sauce we made at the beginning, put some in, mix it up, and you know what? I hate to go not live, but we're going to see you next at our table as we eat our beautiful salad. So this is Peter Carpizos, as always, wishing you the best. Thanks for tuning in. We love it when you tune into our channel, Heal, Lead, and Teach, for Carpizos Kitchen, where we cook, eat, and enjoy. So happy summer, everybody. Make yourselves a Greek salad with chicken, and you will feed your family. Pete out.